It's the word screen record. As y'all can see. Hold up, y'all. Oh, it's the screen record. Alright. That pop Chevy out. Smell here so long.
Cut it on me, I'ma cut a fool. Calling all the steppers to the front. Get ready for the show. Hey, it's on. We always number one when she get up. They ain't think Greek was coming home. Calling all the raiders to the front. Get ready for the show. I'm always number one, I'm at the front. Bitch. No one has to know. Don't step how you want me to step, and you don't be no crash dummy. I ain't gonna tell you do nothing I wouldn't do. I'm just being 100. Push for me, same way I push for you. In the streets, your credit good until it ain't. Man, no snitching won't tell the truth. Sky blue coupe, I dropped the roof. Bought a little puppet for my boo. You can see my shit through the tent. X Johnny, 5,000 or 2. Spanish bitch call me Poppy Chew. Free my little dog, he cut him loose. Why they headed free shots to poop? If it's stepping on shit like poop. Nobody know nothing, nigga still told. Yolo real snow, put half on it and it's still strong. Dressing searching through my dressing drawer. All my pills long, get it first, I can't do get it worse. I don't feel wrong. Go try to warn me about a cross over the jail phone. Spraying magic on the envelope, we put his meal on. Shirt off when I skirt off, eat the lamb rolls. Brody was my friend, so we was kids, we were sharing clothes. Still give him my head stones. Calling all the raiders to the back for me now. Ready for the show. Let's go, let's go. I'm always number one, I'm at the front. No one has to know. Free blood. Calling all the steppers to the front. Get ready for the show. Stress up, stress up. I'm always number one when she get up. Hey, I'm back, bitch. And I still like to smack shit, whack shit. Might leave a couple up in Sykes Smith. Fuck him if he ain't with me. Not the west, I'm from the east. Stress, I make it over me. You know that we pay our tabs on the dares who dropping fast. One on one, I cop him fast. Track the cat on speed, nigga. Kill me before I need a nigga. Who said we was leaving, nigga? Oh, now I was reading, nigga. Oh, shit, I was leaving. If I said I can't believe it, nigga. Diamond crazy, nigga from Gates. I ain't never been lazy. Count a million, hand for hand, band for band. I'm gram for gram. I can go color for color. I can go lamb for lamb. I can go mansion for mansion. I can go acres of land. I just bought a penthouse, 5 million in Atlanta. Pull up in the valley in the lemon head fountain. Yeah, I'm big, got it. Never sleeping on the business. Wake up, calling all the gangsters to the front. Perfect attendance. Big, got it. Ready for the show. Let's go, let's go. I'm always number one, I'm at the front. No one has to know. Free blood. Calling all the steppers to the front. Ready for the show. I'm always number one, she get up. Free blood. Stepping on shit, free my nigga, 4-2, we come blow you. Free to kill niggas couldn't told you too much baggage, they backdoor you. Ain't no G, I live real situation, we beefing, I hold you. I take out your whole bloodline like I'm supposed to, I don't know you. Spin a block, knock the fans out the window, you hear the chop. That's the mop, set you up with a bitch, look like Vivica Fox. He went for the plot, so she took him down for an APY. Slice him with a blade, it is on crib, make the neighbors watch. Drop a 10, we gon' box him in soon as she drop a pin. You know my money good, tell her bro, lock that in. Lock that in. Got the enemigos passes, you was not my kid. And see the death of jail with us, this shit is not gon' win, we steppin'. modify the weapons. Idolize the steppers, willing to die behind their sections. Catching that's a blessing. Cause niggas ain't outside, you calculating the tempest. You must be out your mind, free all the guys. Calling all the steppers to the front. Get ready for the show. Let's go, let's go. I'm always number one, I'm at the front. Now, no one has to know. Yeah, it's CMG the album, nigga, you know what I'm saying? History. You never seen this many gangsters in the same squad. You never seen this much money with no issues. You know what I'm saying? You never seen these many big dogs come together, nigga. Yeah. Extortion still exists, yeah. Orchestrated blitz. When we was kids, I thought that corner would make me rich. It's forfeit till I'm tortured. That mean more to me than this bitch. Give a fuck about your hustle. That don't mean more to me than these skits. Scoring up with these sticks. If you don't pour enough, I ain't sipping. Them switches on his blick. But when he blick them, they be glitching. Be discreet and keep your distance. When it get greasy, you can't fix it. I'm be subbing me in your mentions. Bitch, you giving the feds assistance. They be giving the feds description. I'm banging the red division. My brother ain't here to sit with me, so I'm pouring out red prescription. These niggas ain't getting no chicken, they scared of jail, they scared of risk it. These niggas ain't sending no hits, they sending attempts. That's the difference. Niggas got me bent, thinking that I'm going like I ever went. On the phone, chase like my account, I'm like the hell I spent. One thing I ain't know is how it'll go in the feds. Same feeling as your man get chopped, hit his top of his dread. Just playing cool, they play you like a fool. I learned my lesson, know the telling, know being in these streets without your weapon. PJ Trellin, riding through my section, I been not been threatened. Yeah. Yeah, nigga, whatever. Yeah, bitch, whatever. Yeah, I am. I never let my niggas down. Nah, I never put them choppers down. Hit your bitch when I come in town. She ain't never let a nigga down. I just went up the score. I got 10 different hoes that swear that they go with a nigga. I'm a superstar. We duck off on the low. She know not to take no pictures. Blouse put a nigga business out. Knock him down, now switch him out. I got ops I don't know about. Stand on business, we don't talk about it. Got 10 bad bitches in the mansion dancing. Look like the Soul Train. I'm on the airplane. Pouring up purple. It look like the Soul Plane. We do real numbers, real shit, finna hunters. I take a nigga under. Watch 300, these the new Yeezy, but they drop, yeah. Call them dunners. Jay said I got the thunder. Pray to God for the runners. Whole pandemic, all I say was snow is like I missed the summer. Put it on my mama. Yo, gotta hear Hall of Fame drug deal, bitch. Yo, gotta hear you running around real killer. That hush guy ain't for no fuck niggas. Bitch, that wood stone on you little niggas. Niggas say they slide, nobody dying though. Niggas say they slide, nobody dying. They working the floor, but what would they lying for? You in the floor, but why is they lying? Go dollar for dollar, shotter for shotter. We can go thotty for thotty. I'm scholarship got it. You gave a bitch a Birkin, I just gave her some knowledge. I'm on some rocket shit. She was basic, I made her a model bitch. Lenny Kravitz, I pull up star rocket shit. She athletic, she built like a soccer bitch. 4'5", but then I got a softer kick. Don't slip cause I drip when I'm walking, bitch. I be rolling the J with some bossy shit. Rondo got 9 on my hip. Like Steph put 30 in the clip, I'm a clip. Lay a nigga flat on the floor like a clip. I just ran off on the plug like a pill. I'm at the top like I'm king of the hill. She freaking, she popping that pussy like a pill. I'm trying to fuck, I'm just keeping it real. That pussy be bald and wet like a seal. 10 Corona, that young nigga ill. Get turned to a donor, you play with my pills. I'm knocking all my outside the field. I'm knocking all my outside the field. Young nigga sick, young nigga ill. All of my niggas united. Just ballin' to DC United. I gave him the pack and he tanked it. 25 paints and he drank it. Just showed him my county, she fainted. Showed him the plug and he thanked you up. Hey, got it, you low, you jankin'. Little bitch just post me brainless. Rolls Royce, stainless steel. Made my neighborhood famous. Ridge crest for tourists. Hey, why your jury blurry? All my jury flawless. All my niggas flawless. None of my niggas sanctified. They be throwing crosses. All my boys is all set. All my damage battery set. Them a little savage, I stamped that. My bitch like the same sex, yeah. I see the same niggas doing the same shit every day. Different nigga, yeah, I had to go and make a way. day, it's another $1 million play. It's like 70 million now, another 100 on the way. I'm legendary. They go to their motherfucking research on me. Hey, kid, fuck these niggas up. Shout out to Birdman, he gave me my first rap check. Lil Slim gave me the game, gotta respect that. I was right there with Wayne, back caught on one. He had a cash money chain, shit I wanted one. Cash money always gonna be my favorite thing, you know what I'm saying? For real. I was still trapping back and forth to New Orleans. I was half rapping full time selling keys. I was pistol packing every day, it's on me. I was with the shit you pull up. No, I'm gon' squeeze. They was trying to indict me, so I moved to the 8. I met GC in 03, talking I went in the hood, was still responsible for the chickens. I was sending loads to Memphis, Mexico City. We been getting low. Ain't shit changed, nigga. Real dope boy. Rest in peace to Nate, dump me to the stupid Drake. He know I'm on it for attempted murder case. On the run, I ain't turning myself in. Though you're trying to make me come complete for the 15. Rob winning 50 case, I wouldn't have never been a rapper. But doing 100 years in the slum. Look at God, I'm in a family. I put Nikki on 5 cause she can't have a heart. Her video, she was on 106 and Paul back. She's excited about me. Join the day, I'm time fly. Let my life be studied.